Royce Silver Shadow 2, the stage of the rear door. Replacing rusty parts, reverse strip, which it's like you can see it's tearing apart. The inner seals, the easiest way to take them out is to take a Stanley knife and just cut to the middle of the seal. It's the easiest way to take out the middle part. These parts here, they are replaceable. You can make them or you can buy them, because actually mine here, it's all rotten. Good thing underneath is stainless steel, we never get rusty. Here on the side they are welded to the stainless steel, but the easiest thing to do if you want to replace it, just do 2 holes or 3 and just pop rivet it. Make sure you clean all the surface for the old adhesive here, because they are glued. The new seals are different from the one you will get on the car, much better made. Actually, I will show you how it's exact, the new reverse strips. Sorry. Just I will take them out from the packaging. If you can see, in this side where the window is coming is nice and in the other side actually they have a lip which the old one never have it, and it's coming up to this corner here, on the top of this corner, just to don't let the water to get underneath of this like the old one. If you can see, you just put it like that, and the seal from the top, it just goes up to the metal. Actually, I can show you in one of them, which I already done it, and it's coming something like that.